One thing that allows them to make it to the 5-year mark is efficiency with their time and money. So let's do a real quick formula to figure out what you're worth an hour. I think that this is a very important piece to understand and a very important number for you to own. So here's what you do. You take your tax return, come up with the real dollar amount that you made. Then divide that by the hours that you worked in that last year. So if it's 60,000 on your tax return, 2,000 hours, then you get $30 an hour. The reason knowing that number is so important is because now, as soon as something costs $30 an hour for you to hire it out. You shouldn't be the one doing it. And of course, when it's less, you hire it out too. We only have so many hours in the day and so much money in our bank accounts. We have to be very efficient with both of those things. That helps us get to the 5-year mark. Wait, what things we should be hiring out? So an example of that is, we're out of road, huh?